Guys, yes, I'm worried. I'm really worried, Shem. South Africans, do we ever sit and think before we act, Mar? Or we just decide to put sense izinto nje? Immigrants must leave. Immigrants must leave. Guys, what about your families from Lesotho, Botswana, and Swaziland? Have you forgotten they're also not South Africans? And most of the people who are going around burning shops of those foreign people, people that are saying we don't want them in our country, they must go. You don't even have medical aid. Tomorrow you are knocked down by the car. You go to Tembisa Hospital. Have you gone to Tembisa Hospital? Ekuruleni. Have you seen all Nigerian doctors that are there? That hospital is packed. Nigerian doctors. They left Nigeria, came to South Africa to save lives. To save all your stupid asses there in that hospital. You are knocked down by the car. You go to that hospital. You crying, causing a scene, making noise everywhere. Help me, help me. Where's the doctor? Call the doctor. Which doctor? The one from Nigeria. The one you're saying that she must leave your country. You're busy sending out CVs to corporate wealth, big companies. You want to be employed by all those white people from England, from Greece, from the UK, from the United States, because they give you high salaries, house allowance, car allowance, and medical aid, yet they are foreigners. So all those people must leave your country, so that you must remain, all you South Africans, without matrix, without businesses, without money, without houses. You're even hungry. You can't feed your families. You're burning those Pakistan shops just to get a pack of meal and a tin of jam. That's what you're running after. Go to those shops, break in, to hambe a tin fish. Chasing away people that are making sure ukuthi ulaludlile. La makule enwaqoshayo, lawe niyakoni yokolotisa. Kolotisa tamati. Yabaxosha namhlanje ukuthi bahambe. Guys, South Africans, as we all know, most South Africans are stupid. But now we've proven it. Like you say, we're not only mad, we're not only lazy, we're not only ignorant, we're stupid as well. Fools. As the Nigerian says, idiots. Mumu. That's what we are. We don't think, we just act. I hope you all know what you're doing, Shem. All those people appearing on the news, they must leave, they must leave. You don't even have matric. You don't even qualify to be a nurse. So I won't even mention being a doctor. You don't even have your own shop. You don't even have a house. Uyintonje hleli malambane. Uthabantu bahambe. Wena usale wenzeni? Ngoba ukho useful now. Awufidi abantu, awuthengisa amatamati, awuna matric, awazi nesilungu, uyinto nje. Uyinto nje. Ekuhlula nje ukuthi kube izivukela kusasa ifile. Mara ayasikhuluma. Nibhiza abantu bangaphandle abahambe. Yazi kube nazi. Yazi ubulima. Shema la ema South African kulele kunye. Kube kulele kubili, kube kuyavusana.